doing?
Yeah. Pull it up over there in the sun.
Is this it?
This is it.
Alright. Well, thanks. Hey, can we wash it real quick? Can you wash it for me?
I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna buy it from auction.
Alright, so enjoy my shadow. So this is a 2019, right?
2019.
Not 2020.
No, 2019.
So we're over here with Colton Green today. He is he works over here at Spradley Ford Lincoln, and yeah. So they just got this thing. This is the first one you guys have actually had, right?
This is the first one we just got in. We just got it in a couple days ago, and there's plenty of interest on it.
And you guys are, so it's actually not for sale yet, because you...
It is now.
Now it is.
Monday, we're allowed to technically sell it.
So yeah, you guys were holding it off for a couple days.
We were. We wanted everyone to get a chance to look at it.
Yeah, you wanted to make sure I come over here and get a video of it.
That's right.
So, yeah, so this thing is pearl white. It's a 2019 Ford Ranger, and you can see that it's this beautiful pearl white. I really like that. It kind of makes me want to paint the Civic like that. This is, what do you think? Should I paint the Civic like that?
Yes, it's my favorite.
And so this is a Lariat. It actually has the 2.3 EcoBoost in it and a 10-speed auto tranny. So I'm really stoked to see how that feels. So Colton said that it's actually it's pretty quick for a little Ranger. So my first truck that I ever actually owned was a 2002 Ford Ranger a long time ago. So if you go back in my videos from way back in the day, I actually did a supercharger kit. It was the 4-liter auto and little super cab thing. That was basically the truck that I had in high school. And I towed, I don't even know how many cars with that thing on my tow dolly. So I was kind of sad when you guys got rid of the Ranger. When was that? A couple years ago?
That was in... Now you would ask me that.
There hasn't been a Ranger for a long time.
It's like I think it's 2012.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah.
So this is all new. This one, honestly, it kind of looks like European. It looks like something that you'd see in another country.
It does. I agree with that.
But all right. So what's better about this versus like a Tacoma or a?
So with the Tacoma and other competitor brands, basically over here we have our we have a full steel bumper. Instead of your plastic.
You just got the parking sensors in the front.
It does have your parking sensors, you have your fog lights, you have your HID, bi-xenon lights, your LED running strip.
This is kind of the fully loaded one, so it's actually the Lariat. Which is interesting because they never had like a Lariat option in the older Rangers. It was just, you know, kind of XLT, and that was what it was. Got some nice alloy wheels, big old brakes, little quad cab. So this is, do you guys have like a short bed, long bed version? Or is it?
No, there's just the short bed.
Yeah. Backup camera. And you also said it has fully steel.
So the bed, the fenders, the hood are all aluminum, and then your cab or your actual cab itself is steel.
Okay. But and then it has the steel skid plates on your.
It does. It does.
Yeah, you can see them right there. Oh man, I was just looking at this interior a minute ago. This is like the Platinums in F-150, F-250. Definitely doesn't look like the interior of like your stereotypical Ranger, but it is kind of like the new dope Ford stuff. So awesome. It's got the power ports back there. Here. The seats fold up. That stuff. Let's look at this 2.3 business. That's what this guy looks like. So the same exact engine that's in the Mustangs, right?
Yep.
Or do they do anything for like different torque figures or torque specs?
That has 270 horsepower and then 310 foot-pounds of torque.
And a 10-speed, all with a 10-speed auto.
Yep, 10-speed auto.
Obviously 4-wheel drive.
They made these silicone now.
Actually, it's boost better.
So you don't have to buy the H&S stuff anymore.
Yeah. Well, the F-250s have the plastic that blows off. So I don't know if this one has that or not.
That's a nice little Terpsky over here.
Look at that. I wonder if you could swap this into something else. They go quick connects.
Just disconnect it.
Yeah, we'll
like,
just
there's something wrong with this truck.
There's something wrong with it. It doesn't work anymore.
Yeah. Yeah, you guys will have to send it to auction, and then I'll get it.
Oh no.
Here we go. All right, well, let's take it for a rip. Let's see how she is.
Yeah, let's go take it.
All right, so when you hop in, you come right here. Push start. It doesn't have a heated steering wheel though. That breaks David's heart. That was his thing.
I wasn't driving.
I mean,
You gotta deal
my
with the
hand's
cold.
cold. What's up, Colton? They don't have the heated steering wheel yet?
I guess not in this one.
Dude,
Do they have a platinum option?
No, just the Lariat.
Interesting little thing. The seat warmer's working really good. Get the little USB thing down there. Trailer control stuff, parking stuff. Where's the traction control? We need to turn that fully off. No, I'm kidding. I don't want to go send it in because I'm not going to buy this thing. Somebody else is going to buy it. Maybe we should go put some fuel in it though.
It gets good gas mileage. It's a 4-banger.
We'll see. All right, well let's take it for a rip. Oh, I could feel the power already. It's just it's there when you need it, just right there.
Let's have a little bit of lag.
Oh wow, you know what it feels like? My mom's TDI. All right, where are we going?
Let's go Liberty Point.
You think?
Yeah.
Oh man, it's soft.
It is. It feels really
Man,
good.
I was expecting some harshness right there because like the F-250s and 350s, you hit those and you're like, wow.
It's shorter. Real nice.
And it's got like Cadillac suspension on it. No, it doesn't. It's got like kind of suspensions it got. Good.
It's better than.
You're saying that on the internet right now, so you better be.
Don't put that on there. I'm not allowed to say that.
Why?
Because
Are you really not allowed to say that?
Why?
it's not allowed to. Lucky you.
I don't get sick very often.
Did you guys put 91 in this one? Or is it?
Sure, what I had from factory, honestly.
Oh, so you guys, this is factory gas.
It is.
How much gas is in it?
Like about an eighth. 61 miles till empty. We're in 10. We're in 10 right now. We're in 10 speed.
Damn, that's a lot of gas.
Like you almost didn't even feel it like rowing through them.
I mean, it's almost ready for Fast and Furious.
We're in 6th right now.
The 10th is Fast and Furious.
Oh, there it is. It sounds just like the Mustang.
Sounds like a WRX.
It's WRX, not even.
Kinda. It's like.
That's interesting. It just feels weird for a truck. Like it's way quicker than like my 4-liter Ranger, but the transmission is just kind of interesting. I would like to see. You know what I would love in this is actually that engine that's in that diesel F-150.
The 3.0.
The 3-liter Power Stroke in this thing would be
Welcome to the B&O Play sound demonstration.
Damn, is that the reservoir?
How much time do we spend in a car during our lifetime?
It does look really nice.
Take a guess. 4 years of our lives can be spent in a car. That is a lot of time. And our philosophy is to make that time as pleasant, productive, and enjoyable as possible.
So is this part of your sales ritual? You bring them up here and you make them listen to the B&O sound demonstration fully?
Yeah, that's right.
And that's the only time you can turn back and go
Yeah, you have to
home.
listen to the whole thing and then go back.
Whole thing, and then we can go back. Backup camera, make sure we don't run into anybody.
Everyone's staring.
It's because they want it. Or they know that we're out on a test drive. They know I'm about to get sold. Don't do it. Don't do it, man.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Did it 82. Yeah, it's kind of interesting because there's that little bit of lag, and then it's just like, oh yeah, how you doing? Like, here we go. Like, I mean, like when you're like just cruising like straight, like if you're on the highway, so we're cruising like 75 now, and you're like, okay, well, like this guy's kind of being slow. Then you could accelerate like without like having to like stomp on it, you know. Where's that?
It's that bottom right one. But
that was a lot better.
Faster.
go to that back part of the parking lot.
And then what?
We're gonna do trail control.
Oh. Trail control. All right, boss.
Yes, sir.
Let's do it.
Roasting.
Well, we're just chilling.
Actually, I think it's harder.
I only have it on 71 over here. I don't know what it is.
Well, this is
69. Here you go.
Turn mine down?
Yeah. Who was drifting over here? Somebody was drifting.
No, we're not talking about. Hit the top left button of this.
This one?
Yep. All right. Now use the cruise control. Hit set +1. All right. Now let off the brake. It'll put you over. Basically, it helps you get over, and it's a lot smoother if you're going over things, and you can go backwards the same way.
So.
And you can control it 1, and then 2 miles an hour, 3, 4. You can go up in increments of 1.
Huh. Oh, so the gas just.
Yes, I'm not doing anything. It's just.
Huh. Oh, it does it automatically. Okay.
Yeah. And you bump it up. Maybe it'll only let you do. It's like using the brakes.
Yeah.
You think
Ford, you can go faster. I know. I don't know how fast it goes, but.
Well, let's stop if it sees something. Like if you're gonna back into that pole or something, will it stop?
I'm trying to.
It's funny because you could hear it using the ABS to slow down. Just like a Tesla, we could just stick an orange right here and just go up to the mountains, and it'll get us to our camping spot.
Yeah.
Do you think I need to hold the steering wheel too?
Yeah, you can steer. Well, the only reason why is because of the snow.
Yeah.
But
no, that's cool.
It still works pretty darn good. Even though it's spinning the rear tires, it's still pushing you right back up.
Yeah. Trail control off. Oh yeah, see how if you just back off it, it's like no. Stability control in the wet. So this thing obviously has pretty much everything that all of the new Fords do. They have the Sync 3. So you have your climate control, your audio, your cell phone, navigation, apps, all that stuff. You've got your dual climate control, heated seats. I don't think they're cooled seats, but trailer control. This is that hill assist. So basically you just set it like 1 mile an hour, and then you release your foot off the brake, and it just crawls up stuff for you. I think that's traction control and some other stuff like that. But yeah, the one interesting I thought was that it actually has an e-brake, kind of like a car right here, whereas normally for trucks I'm used to them being down there on the floor. You got
this is so you could get the drifts.
So you can get the drifts done, yeah.
Actually, this is probably electronic e-brake.
It has a dual keypad, so you can see over here you could kind of control this. So you could do there's your tack, average mile an hour, speedo, off-road stuff. Go through all your settings and menus and fuel economy and all that type of stuff. Then that pretty much just stays speedo right in the center. Over here, use this keypad, and this actually you can control your entertainment. You could also go to your navigation, and then you could also go to your phone. So, yeah, definitely pretty cool. There's one other thing I was gonna say. Oh, I wanted to look at the lights. You can see those actually look pretty cool. I do like that little. Alright. So that concludes the drive in this 2019 Ford Ranger. So I appreciate Colton over here. He is at Spradley Ford Lincoln here in Pueblo. So where do we get in contact with you if?
I have some business cards inside. I'll give you to hand out, and then my number.
I'll put your link and everything in the description.
That works. That's perfect. Yeah.
All that type of stuff. So if anybody wants to give you contact, if you are local to Southern Colorado, come down here to Spradley Ford and Colton will get you hooked up. He'll get you a special deal, the special Motion Auto TV price.
That's right.
So if you tell him that I sent you, and you guys have all kinds of stuff. You guys have used inventory. You guys, is that a SHO?
That is a show. Yeah. There's a show right there. And then the MKS, which is the same platform.
Really?
Yep.
Pretty cool. And so I drove that 3-liter Power Stroke here. They got F250s, F150s. They got everything. The whole brand new Ford lineup. Use things like that. So I appreciate it, Colton. And,
yes, sir.
Yeah. You should check it out. Grab the truck.